Hi, I'm Danielle Burr. We're here to take part in an intimate discussion on the Staten Island Guido. But first, let's look at the derivation of this profound term, the Guido. Derived from the great-great-grandfather of the social clan, Gaetano Guidano, the Guido has taken great strides to reach the point at which he now stands. Taken from Guidare nella Società, the Guido proudly lunges forward as a driving force in society. Please keep in mind, this is making no derogatory reference to any particular ethnic group or background.
Go! Stay!
Good day. I'm at the home of Vincenzo Giuseppe Pasquale Giovanni Antonio Santino Abruzio Paolo Mario Carmine Vito Boombates.
Hey, Spunat. That's Boombots. You can call me Cheech.
Oh, thank you, Mario. As Danielle stated previously,
Hey, get out of my way.
we are here to do the dissertation of the Staten Island
Get
Guido.
out of my way.
Oh, no, wait! Oh! So, Pasquale,
Hey, Vito, Mommy said the macaroni's are ready.
Hey, this is my little brother, Vinny. He's got no teeth. He got into a fight. Should have seen the other guy. Hey, right, Vinny?
I punched his tongue out.
Hey, Vinny.
that's great, little Vinny.
Hey, Tommaso, tell Mama to put the macaronis on hold, all right?
Yo.
Hey, he's got a good right hook, huh?
That's just great, Pasquale. Why such a long name?
Yeah, can I have that for a second? I'm named after my grandfather. He was an honorable guy. You know, he was from the other side. Everybody respected him. Everybody. I saw they figured their name.
That's really good. Could you tell me, what do you do for a living?
Me, you know, I work. I work at the site. I work at the construction site. You see, I work with my father. You know, he gave me a job. I needed the money, so I figured with my money, I buy myself. I bought a Monte Carlo. You know.
Hey, that's a nice car you got there.
Hey, it is. I like it.
Why not an IROC though? Don't most Guidos drive IROCs?
Yeah, you know, there was a red one that I really shiny with turbo hood scoop, but you know, I couldn't afford it. You know, so I said, what the heck, you know? So I bought the Monte. It's a nice car. You know,
So tell me, how much do you spend on her?
Well, you know, I'm spending about 60, 70 cruising every night, you know, on gas. Yeah. About a week, you know, we're talking $700-800 a week. But you know, it's a good car, you know.
Oh, yeah. Well, with those kind of expenses, why not just buy the IROC?
Hey, good say. What are you, a wise guy? Hey, I think it's my friend Mikey.
Hey, Mikey.
What's up, man? Long time no
Mikey,
see,
this
man.
is hey, I don't even know what's your name, man.
Sean O'Sullivan.
Yo, what's up, son?
Nice to meet you, Mikey.
Yo, Sean, we're gonna go to the AU multiplex cinema thing. We're gonna hang out for a while. Maybe we catch a movie, right, Mikey?
All right.
I didn't know Guidos went to the multiplex to actually see a movie.
You know, Sean, there's a lot you don't know about Guido.
Well, fill me in there, Abruzio. Carmine, tell me, what does your mother think of you staying out so late?
Wait a minute, man. You could talk about my Benzie box. You could talk about my shoes.
Give him the business.
You can even talk
Give it
about
to
my
him.
girlfriend's
Give it to
hairdo.
him.
But don't talk about my mother. Understand that?
Okay,
Get
Vito.
out of here.
Let's go to the store and get some hairspray before we go to the movie. You know what I'm saying?
This has been the dissertation of the Staten Island Guido. I'm Sean O'Sullivan, and I'll be back.
Girl, my emotions are exploding and I just may lose control. I feel like I am floating. You got me body and soul. Never meant for you and I to hold up. And girl, we didn't want to fall, but love has happened anyway. The writing's on the wall, so let's just take it day by day. Don't deny it.